Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about speeding up WordPress, and like it or not, a standard installation of WordPress isn't particularly fast, which, since Google likes fast sites, this can be a real problem. And Google likes fast sites because we like fast sites. We don't want to be standing or sitting around or looking at our phone and saying, when's that page going to load? We want it now. And start by getting rid of any plugins that you don't use or that are duplicates. And if your site's been around a while, chances are both of those are there. Because what happens is they'll slow down your site anyway as just part of the process, because WordPress goes through and thinks, oh, we might need that. And it's also quite likely your WordPress host isn't overly fast. Now, short of scarily moving to a different host, there's not very much you can do about that specifically, but what you can do is add a cache to help basically improve your page speed. And that's one more plugin. And what it'll do is speed up your site, and it's called a cache plugin, and what it does, it intercepts any page that's been requested before it actually gets to WordPress. And if that page has been looked at before, the cache serves up an identical copy of the page, but without the overhead and without the time constraints. And don't worry about the technical details, just be aware that it works. And it works really, really well. And there are lots of different cache plugins available because it's a need. And whichever one you choose needs to work fast, obviously, and not slow itself down because you've clicked the wrong setting, and that happens more often than you'd expect. Because with cache plugins, they're written by geeks who assume that you and I know all the different settings and what they can do and what they can't do and what effect they have, and in the real world that just isn't the case. And the best WordPress plugin I've found for a cache is the one linked below this video. It's designed to work fantastically well as soon as you install it. All you do is install it, press activate. Hey, it goes. No complicated settings to figure out. And it just works. So click the link below this video and speed up your WordPress site today. You'll help Google, which in turn helps get more visitors to you. It'll help the visitors when they get there, and you'll help yourselves. So go for it. And just then breathe a sigh of relief you've actually done it. Because speeding up WordPress is probably the most, apart from adding new content, is probably the most beneficial thing you can do to a WordPress site. So thanks for watching, and investigate that link below.